Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. I do have an easy makeup tutorial right here for you. Now this one is fast, it's simple, and it's easy to do. So I've gone ahead to clean my face, applying my moisturizer right now, making sure to massage that and blend that into my skin before going in with my primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation after applying my primer. And I just want to inform you all that I do have a do-it-yourself makeup class where you get to learn the basics and you get to learn to do your own makeup easily. You don't want to be putting on a beautiful outfit and your foundation is not matching your skin tone, or your concealer or your highlight is wrong. So please go ahead and sign up for that class. The details are in the comment section and in the description bar below. Right now I'm highlighting. You can see what it does. On the other side, no. Okay, so you're going to be learning all of this in the class. Very simple. I didn't do any blush application or any of that complex application. So this is what you're going to be learning, and you can see my face is already coming together pretty nicely. So now I'm just going ahead and apply powder on the rest of my face because I've highlighted already. So I'm going to go in with exactly shade of powder and highlight, and now I'm going to quickly draw on my brows immediately. Now brows are actually the simplest thing that you're going to be learning on the class. Okay, so after you've gotten your skin correctly, next is your brows. So what I did is just go in with a brown powder and just apply on the eyes, and I just went ahead and did my lips. Can you see how simple the tutorial is? Pretty simple. You're going to be learning even more than this in details. Okay, I'm going to be giving you all the tips and all the tricks. So after that is done, I used my fingers to blend, and I went in with a bit of a nude shade and I just glossed it up, and the lips is given. So right now I'm just going to spray the face and make sure the powder melts in pretty nicely. So I just went in with this highlighter, just a tad bit, just to elevate the look. And I just popped that just a little bit on the eyes, and look at this. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, do make sure to stay beautiful and see you in class. Bye.